What up, chat? What's up, everybody? How's everyone doing today? How's everyone doing today? Hopefully, everyone's doing good today. Yo, guys, there's a nice bullish RMR on NASDAQ and a nice bullish RMR on gold. We have 4 minutes and 48 seconds until this swing low. We want to leave this open. If price comes back down and doesn't still leave off a gap here, then it's going to be pretty awkward for price. It might be an ugly price action here, but it doesn't look right here. Swing low, guys, what happened? It got rated right here, right? Swing low got rated. Swing high here got what, chat? Swing high here got rated. Right? So right here we have a market structure shift, okay? Now the leg that caused the market structure shift left behind the gap. So now this is a very key point. This is going to tell us the session. This is pretty much going to tell us the session for the day. But we have 4 minutes until the confirmation. Let's go to gold now. Gold, same thing. We have here. Swing low got rated. Boom. Nice sweep of liquidity because it's just from the wicks, right? Swing high got rated right here. All right. Boom. Right. So we have our market structure shift right here. Boom. So both NASDAQ and gold. I like NASDAQ a bit better because we don't have a dump before this market structure shift. On NASDAQ, we have a bit more stacked up liquidity close range, like right here, within the higher time frame. Then a bit of a dump, and then right here. If we go to the 15-minute, you can see we're stacking up, stacking highs. So I'm expecting a bullish day, honestly. This might even be a breakaway gap, to be honest with you. Two minutes left. Let me post a link of this YouTube stream. Baby, what you wishing for? Okay, we're going into the fair value gap right now, chat. Okay, I just posted it out right now. Should have more people join the stream. If you guys just join the stream, leave a like right now. This is gold right now, and this is NASDAQ right now. NASDAQ is showing strong bullish momentum. What up, guys? Guys, how's everyone doing, man? I missed you guys. How's everyone doing? Did you guys all miss me? You guys miss Hamuzi? What's with the smoke detector, brother? Do you guys want to hear the story about the smoke detector? Everyone, chat, say. Let me know if you guys want to hear the story about the smoke detector. Let me know, chat. I'm gonna tell you guys a funny story about the smoke detector. Let me know if you guys want to hear this story. Let me know, chat. Let me know, chat. If you want to hear this funny story. You guys want to hear the smoke detector? Smoke detector story? Tell us. Okay. Well, it's a funny story. So pretty much, what happened is these ceilings are like 13-foot high. So Hamuzi can't reach it. Yeah, that's pretty much it. No story there. They're very long. So I just gotta get a ladder or something. Yeah. I'm telling you, man, the ceilings for this penthouse is pretty high. Baby, would you wish you fall? You wish you fall? I know you wish you fall, baby. Okay, guys, eyes on Nasdaq. सैयारा तो बादला नहीं है सैयारा तो बादला नहीं है Whoa, who's Prod GT? Brother, you live in Mississauga? How you know that, buddy? How you know that, buddy? Yeah, Mississauga. सैयारा तो बादला नहीं है 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 Hamuzi, the BMW i is crazy fire, bro. Long by. Thank you, bro. I appreciate it. I like how it looks blacked out. I was gonna get a Ferrari 488 Spider, but honestly, I think I like my. The thing is, if I get a Ferrari 488 Spider, then I'm just gonna want to keep going and keep going. I'm gonna have too many I'm gonna want another one that's better than the Ferrari 488 Spider, and then I'm gonna want something that's better, and I'm gonna want to almost like the best McLaren they have. What is it? Something LT, some LT McLaren LT. Can you fix the flat fire alarm? How about you come here and fix it? How about you come here and fix it, buddy? Results so far for the year, they're struggling to cross over that resistance. The stats are amazing across the board. Across the board, the stats are really good. There's resistance we're getting out of 1,000. A few years ago, we break this quickly found this continue up to do nice. That is the reality of trading. It's been a phenomenal thing so far here in Miami. And it's generally has to greatest traders. That's like US investing champions. People have taken $18 million to over $2 million, close to $3 million. Can everyone hear me? Clear as day, loud as clear. Sayara dudong badala nai Sayara dudong badala nai. Wow, whoever traded London session gold, 8, bro. Oh man, this is an easy one. Very easy one. Oh, bro, I would have made bank on this trade, chat. My stop loss at this body. Hold until New York session. It's the second time I've seen gold do this, bro. It gives you like a nice clean setup. I would have set it for a couple ones. First time on your live, appreciate it, boy. I'm looking for buys on gold. What? There's no swing high that got displaced on the 15-minute. On NASDAQ, there's a swing high that got displaced on the 15 minutes. So NASDAQ is a bit more bullish than gold. Give us some trades, bro. That's what I'm doing. I can't just manifest. Like, I gotta wait for my setup. I saw your birthday's in like 2 weeks or something. Oh, no way. Who said that? How do you know that? How do you know that? I feel old, man. Old Uzi. I don't understand that question, Microwave King. Rephrase that. Rephrase that question. How many of you guys? How many of you guys believe in yourself? Okay, eyes on NASDAQ, guys. We finally tapped into that 5 minute. Guys, let me know if we tap into this. So gold is a bit far away, so we're gonna focus on NASDAQ. You see how we tapped into this on a 5 minute? Let's see if we tap into this one or this one. But regardless, this is a good candle because we made equal highs up here. Now, there is a bullish SMT right here. So until that gets taken out, it doesn't get taken out. We can enter here. It's also in the macro. Okay, eyes on NASDAQ chat. Closure above here, we can enter for buys. If we close above here right now, we have a SMT. The SMT is right here. So this high is 24,970, 24,970.25, 24,970. So this is, yeah, it's relatively equal highs. Okay, get ready. Get ready for buys, chat. And once we close, if we can close above here, then we can go enter for buys. Let's say we were to enter, what would our stop loss be? Let's say we close above here, we'd have, I'll put it just behind the body candle. So that candle right here, that'll be like an 18-point SL. I'll let you guys know when to enter. I'll let you guys know when to enter. I'll see you guys. Remove this. My biggest psychological breakthrough, I say, it's me waiting for my setup. I guess that changed everything in my life when I started waiting for my setups. It makes sense for it to go down and probably fill this 5 minute instead. So because it closed below it, chat, we can't use this gap anymore. It's a finesse thing. We can't use this gap. So let's go to the 3 minute. Let's see if there's anything. 3 minute, nothing. 5 minute, nothing. 15 minute, nothing. Yeah, we can't use this gap. I would have loved to, because we close above here. It would have gave us that pretty decent confirmation, but we cannot use it. It's where people make a mistake at. They forget to check the gaps again. Technically, price closed below here. Swing low to swing high. So because it closed below here, this body closed right here. That means we have to delete this. We cannot use this higher time frame fair value gap. See why I just went down immediately? You guys would be like, buy right here. If you bought right here and you thought that was a higher time frame gap, what would have happened to you? Immediately straight to stop loss. See what I'm saying, chat? That's how it tricks you. So I called it because I said that the body closed where I told you the body closed. Right? This is why you guys listen to Hamuzi. Right? Because I told you right here, this 5 minute, it got disrespected. So because it got disrespected, you see how it saves you from entering these trades? The key to why I'm very profitable and why I can reach leaderboards and why I get consistent payouts is because I'm able to avoid unnecessary losses, right? I'm human. Sometimes I may have unnecessary losses. I'm human. But me minimizing it is what's the most important thing, right? Me minimizing the unnecessary losses, right? That's the most important thing for me, right? That's what helps me a lot, a lot. I'm minimizing those losses, right? A lot of people that learn half of a strategy from YouTube never really understand the full idea. This is why you need a mentor, guys. This is why you need someone to tell you exactly what not to do. Because some people, they're so focused on, the strategy in it of itself that it's hard for them to determine when to not enter, right? Sure, you know when to enter, but do you know when to not enter? That's very important, actually. Right, chat? Very, very important. My ankle. Are you talking about bullish S&T or bearish one? Kenny. My ankle. Right, guys? So learn how to minimize losses. See, we just saved ourselves from an unnecessary loss. How many of you guys are about to buy there, All right, guys, like up the stream for that one. Like up the stream for saving us a loss right there. Just saved ourselves an unnecessary loss. So that means y'all gotta like up the stream right now. Like it up, like it up. Like it up, like it up, like it up. What's gold saying? Gold is on its own timing, bro. This would have been a decent entry. It was on the 1 minute. Closure here, stop loss here. Behind the GIFVG and then on here. If it was on the 1 minute. It's on 30-second. And the RMR doesn't look the best. So I wouldn't. But this would be a decent one. Like a B setup, chat. Not an A plus setup, a B setup. Right. And then we look for buys like right here. But yeah, I'm not in this trade. Chat, what's our win rate, chat, on live stream? On live stream, what's our win rate? What's our win rate around on live stream? Everyone type. I want to hear everyone that's been in the live stream for the past however many weeks. What's our win rate about? If I'm priced, bro, I'll freaking Hamuzi possible buy. No, there's no higher time frame gap. There's no possible buy. Not right now. Gotta wait. Got to wait. You guys want to know what helped me become a profitable trader? You guys want to know? It's the patience to not enter everything. I think that's what helped. If it tapped this fair value gap, then yeah, could enter for buys, but sadly didn't. I don't see it going higher. I see it dropping because I feel like we need to fill this 5-minute gap. So anyways, I'm being patient. I don't know. Whatever price wants to do, I'll let it do. But I prefer the patient route. So I'm just going to be patient and let price do what price wants to do. Someone just say they're in short on gold. Oh, bro, this amount of patience needed is insane, man. Just wait and let's see if the 9-minute glitch happened today on NASDAQ. Let's check. How do you avoid over trading? Wait for your setup. Wait for your setup. You know, the thing is with me right now is like I'm waiting for my setup, bro. I haven't took a single trade, bro. Do I want to trade? Yes, I do. Guess what, guys? I'm just like you. I want to trade, but I gotta understand that. Look, I really want to make profit. I really want to make money. I gotta be patient. Wait for my setup. You know what I'm saying? You think I don't have the same urges as you guys? You think I'm some type of like thing? No, guys, I have the same urge as you guys. I also want to click the button. You cannot, it's human behavior. You cannot unavoid it. But me just being patient and waiting for the setup is what's important because I have one setup. I just wait for that. I just want to come to me. And then once it comes to me, then that's it. Yo, do you guys want me to post day in the life videos, guys? You guys want me to post some day in the life videos? No, this is not good. I just want to Drake and drive right now. Sandwich right now. You know why we're doing this? We're in a sandwich. Swing high got rated here. Swing low got rated here. Market structure shift. Returning to this fair value gap. But at the same time, swing low got rated, swing high got market structure going up. So now it's confused as watch. That's why we're stuck. Finally, we broke out. Broke out. Good. Makes sense. Guys, talk to me in the chat. I'll try to answer your questions. Actually, too many questions. I prefer the 1 minute because I was able to collect the most data on it. I aim for 1 to 1 or 1 to 2. I have an account for 1 to 1 RR and I have an account for 1 to 2 RR. If you only have one account, I recommend just doing one R because you just need a 60% win rate and you'll be very profitable. Psychologically, sometimes when you go for higher RRs, your win rate's going to decrease. It's not good for you psychologically. Eyes on Nasdaq. Ready, guys? We're about to go for enter. Why are people leaving the stream when I'm about to enter a trade? This is crazy. This makes no sense. We waited so long. This just shows you how life works. We wait so long for a trade. Finally, it's finally gonna show up, and then you have people leaving. That just sums up life, bro. People, they want success, and then before anything happens, they give up. I love it. I love it. I need people like that for me to be at the very top. Keep doing it. There will always be people like that. Hey, shout out Mississauga, bro. I see a 5-minute bullish survival gap here. I just want price to just retap into this. Going for sells. I mean buy sells. Waiting for price. We're waiting, chat. We're waiting for price. Waiting for price to just happen. One of the things in trading is patience, And I want to teach you guys the idea of patience, you know? What is it like when it's just you, yourself, in the chart? What's gonna happen, guys? You have to master looking at the charts in silence and just staring at the chart and understanding that, look, I'm not going to trade. I'm not going to trade. This is a skill that you must master. You must master this skill. Boring part of trading. Sure. Boring part about trading, but you gotta do it. Still going up, man. We have Hamuzi for a bit. All right, guys. Hamuzi's about to come into the chat right now. Be right back. I'm gonna bring Hamuzi. Yo, Hamuzi, can you come over here? Ladies and gentlemen, I want to introduce you to Hamuzi. Hamuzi, come over here. Come. Hello, guys. How you guys doing today? Hopefully, you guys are all doing good today. What's up, guys? It's your boy Wamuzi. Currently, we're looking at price right now, and after looking at price, I can see that price is still on an upward momentum. Right, price just created a new bullish fair value gap. So price clearly wants to go up, but what we're waiting for is a retracement in price action. We want it to return to this fair value gap, but you can see that price is so bullish that it is giving some difficulties for price to want to go into this area. So what we're doing right now is we create so much liquidity from above all these liquidity points that I marked out from time Price is so attracted to it. Okay. Now, what does the market chase, everyone? Let me know in the chat. What does the market chase? Excellent job. It chases liquidity. That's all the market chases. So now if you are in an area where you know something is going to want to be chased, what are you going to do? The first thing you want to do is you want to look for buys. So that's why the whole session I said, I'm looking for buys. I'm looking for buys. I'm looking for buys. But why was I looking for buys? Because there's so much liquidity above. There's liquidity above here. There's liquidity above here. There's multiple zones of liquidity. And again, the market chases liquidity. I want you to think of liquidity as blood, and price itself is a shark. All right. Now, what are sharks attracted to? They're attracted to blood, right? So if there's more blood above than there is blood below, then the chances of the shark going above is very high because it's going to be attracted to the blood. And as you can see here, boom, impulse and price action. This is how price is going up and up and up because, again, it's attracted to these zones. Does that make sense? You don't see me marking out low lows right here. I'm not, because there isn't nothing for it to be chased. But for the highs, I've marked it out because it's showing impulsiveness of price wanting to go up. Does that make sense with everyone? Right now, this is the beautiful thing about trading. Imagine knowing where price wants to go. Right now, the second thing in trading is finding that entry model. So then you can know where to put your stop loss. You can know where to where to attack certain levels and certain points, right? And that's the next stage, right? So and how my strategy works is, once I make that bullish fair value gap, I wait for a retracement. I want price to tap back. I need a breather, right? Because what comes down must come up, right? I don't want to just enter at the top, because although price is very impulsive and bullish, it's not always going to be like this, right? There's times where price goes up, it needs a retracement, and then it goes up. So although we are very bullish and there are so many liquidity points for us to target, and we've already taken out majority of them, still we want some type of retracement to the downside, and then we can enter. All right, if you just enter at the top, you're just going to be building gambling habits. Okay, now gambling habits are built here when you see price extremely pumping up, and then the urges are kicking in for you to want to enter the trade. You're gonna be like, I have to enter this trade, I want to enter this trade, right? But you have to hold yourself back from doing that, and it takes a lot. Like, that's what creates and differentiates a man from a boy, right? If you're able to stop yourself from doing something that's so tempting, you'll be rewarded for it tenfold, right? Because you're no longer attracted to instant gratification. Right now, you're accepting delayed gratification, and delayed gratifications are the ones where you will see a lot of money. That's where millionaires are made. That's where billionaires are made, right? Are the ones that have delayed gratification, not instant gratification. So every time you chase something instant, like scrolling on TikTok, scrolling on Reels, scrolling, that's called instant gratification. And it slows you down from your success. Similar to that is right here. Instant gratification. If I just quickly buy right here, where's my stop loss going to be? Right? You're creating bad habits, right? So understand a strategy, understand a system, master the system. And then once you master the system, then you can have the optimal strategy where every single day you can print $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, $4,000. Bro, if you can consistently make $4,000 a day trading, bro, you're making over $1 million a year. I hope you know that. Right? I'm not saying you guys need to make $1 million a year. For all I'm kidding, $100,000 a year may be a lot for you guys, and that is a lot. That was a lot for me. That it's still a lot. That's money. Money is money, right? So come on, guys. Don't get rid of this gambling, formation, and understand the fact that you're able to make a low ton of money, a lot of money. You guys can make a lot of money, but you're holding yourself back because you're not starting now. You're not trying to learn this stuff immediately, right? You can only have this drive from yourself. No one, I can motivate you. I can tell you, like, do this, don't give up in this, but you're the real person who knows when you're gonna start, all right? All right, do you guys want Hamuzi back? You guys want me to bring Hamuzi, or do you guys still want Wamuzi? It doesn't matter. It's whatever gives you the RMR first. That's what matters. That's how I know. That's how I get my session bias. What's gold saying? Finally, gold has a 15-minute bullish RMR. Swing low got rated, swing high got rated. What? Guys, we should have traded Bitcoin, bro, at this point. Yo, who's with me? Who are my students to understand this? Swing low got rated right here. Swing high got rated. We had a market structure shift. Like that caused the market structure shift. Left behind a fair value gap. We tapped into the fair value gap. Go to the 1 minute. Beautiful GIFEG. Right here. There's a nice Bitcoin trade. Long position. Stop loss here. Right at the body. Let's see if there's an SMT with Ethereum. What? Look how similar they're moving. I don't see SMT. Swing low got rated, swing high got rated, market structure shift. Look, there's an RMR right here, but the only problem is that there's a 15-minute bearish RMR going down, and then we're filling this fair value gap. That's the only thing I don't like about it. You're not giving me the best conditions to work with. Come on, man. Work with me. We tapped into this 5 minute. So big bearish SMT and that hourly bearish for value gap. We have to have a 1 minute bullish SMT. Such a like a crappy thing because one thing is telling you one thing. Oh, that's a good looking SMT. Wait, is it? No, it's not. Yeah. So therefore, this low got taken out of this low. There's no SMT here. Is there chat? Maybe my eyes are tweaking. Any other day I'd buy this chat. Any other day I'd buy this. Beta SMT. Imagine just inversing this. Like any other day I'd buy it. Therefore, I'm a sell now. Ah. Fly me out, I'll fix it. I'm dead. There are bruises all over my body, chat. If I'm priced with this hourly bearish fair value gap and bearish SMT, I say F this shit and just go down. SMT in this fair value gap plus the HCP. Yeah, I think it's gonna rip down. I don't know if this 5 minutes gonna hold or not. Chat, if you see a SMT, tell me. Somebody's telling me this like, because I don't know. I feel like we're gonna go down a bit. Can you imagine if this is the real move now? Man, imagine this is the real move. Price is like time to go fly fly. Do we have an SMT? 5 minutes. Still. We did not close below it. The only thing that's like making me bearish is the fact that the 1 hour SMT and 1 hour HCP. Gold. BTC buys now? Like you want to buy right now? Wait. Well, yeah. So we have a swing low got rated, swing high got rated. Nice. Fair value gap right here. Good job. But we had a swing high got rated, swing low got rated only by the wicks, so it's fine. Unless this body closes down. If this body closes down, then we can't look for buys because the new RMR is to the downside now. Swing high got rated, swing low got rated. So looking for buys isn't, it's contradicting now. Because this one also has a gap up here. So this is called a sandwich. You want to avoid these. It's dangerous. See, now it's a wick. So now it's fine. It's a wick. So now if we close above here without taking out this high, then this is the close range liquidity, and then Bitcoin can have a nice. And move behind the body. So 5 seconds to close. If it closes like this, then Bitcoin will. Oh, Bitcoin. So close to close. I wouldn't consider this closing. It's too small. I wouldn't consider this closing. It needs to close a little bit closer. Close range liquidity needs to be. Holy shit! How do I read this? If we close here around this zone without taking out the high, close a little bit higher, then you can go for buys on Bitcoin. Little quick scalp on buy. Let's be more specific with our favorites, which is gold and Nasdaq. Gold has a swing high that got rated, swing low got rated, so gold is pretty like, you know, saying that it wants to go to. Holy gold! This is the ugliest I've seen price action in a long time. Nasdaq 5 minute, I still hold. I think. Oh, it's the new 5 minute. but it's too far. It's not close range liquidity. Yo, I'm sorry, chat. Like, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. This is the ugliest I've seen price action. I'm gonna be completely honest with you. This is the ugliest I've seen price action. It's making me like, you know. I might clock out here, chat. Because this is the longest it's gone without me finding my setup. Usually my setups come like this, especially if I'm looking at gold and NASDAQ. But the fact that gold and NASDAQ didn't give me my setup yet, still, I'm suspicious towards the market. I'm going to be honest with you. I'm suspicious towards the market. Market's moving sus. I don't even know if I want this anymore. Yes, we did get a bullish SMT. I think gold's going to go down. NASDAQ's going to go up. If we close above this, do we have something? If we close above this, F this. Let's see how many points in FAR. I'm going to say eyes on NAS. I don't want to end the week red. I want to keep the streak going. I haven't had a red week in so long. Bro, I would love to enter this, but mans don't want to mess up his records in it. Mans don't want to mess up his record in it. This is like a B. It's like an A minus. It's an A minus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, good thing I didn't enter. Okay, I'll go for buys if we can close above here. How many points was this from here? This was 23 points, so this is not close range liquidity. It needs to close around here. It needs to close around this zone. Okay, 13 seconds left. We need a closure around. We close here. Yeah, we can close it around with my finger in that trigger. Around right here. Like here or higher. Because then from there to there, maybe even a little bit lower is fine. 49 seconds. You ready? If it takes out the high, we're not entering chat. You have to accept that. Ready? I'm with my stop loss right here. Remember, guys, if we take out the high, we are not entering. Come on, don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't take out the high. Don't take out the high. Take out the high. Okay, is this the next close range liquidity? Let's measure this quickly. From here to here is 8.5. Okay, so if we enter here, stop loss right here. No, that's me chasing price. And if I chase price, I'm not gonna have the best win rate. It's one of those ones I have to accept. I have to accept my fate. I'd say the flip on this candle, actually. So say eyes on. I say if we flip, like if we break above this candle here at 11:18 and close above it, then we may fly up. See how it's not there? It's not at that top zone. It closes above it. Let's see if, let's say like a buy limit here. It closes above it. But the question is, where's the stop loss going to be? Because our entry is a little bit late. That's the only problem. I don't want to retrace back into our 35-point stop loss is crazy. That's the only problem. Unless we use the body and don't expect it to come back down here. And that puts us at a 28-point stop loss. So from here to here. Okay, you know what, chat? We'll put a tag on this. Okay. I say half risk entry, guys. Half risk entry on this. So buy right here. Half risk. Just give us this high. Made equal highs here. We're gonna bearish SNT. Come on, just take out that high. Come on, take out that high, then we can move our stop loss to there. Yes. Okay, lovely. High taken. How the other guy sending me full TP got hit? What? Oh, their entry was on the thing. Yeah, this was that high note, but to do everything on the thing is, bro. The guys in the signal group is not in a live stream, bro. Got a winning day, bro. Good night. That's funny. So this is that high. Let's make this line yellow. This was that little high that I wanted because it made equal highs. I don't know if you guys seen that little equal highs it made. That's the equal highs where it made. It made it right there. So let me give them, so they get another opportunity because this is a high point. The volume is so high in the market. So see, market just blessed them again. in case they missed out. Look at that. Market's so nice. Gave them another opportunity. Gave them another opportunity. Oh, I'm trying to send this signal group. Come on. Copy image. Paste. Yo, let's go. Sweet, bro. Sweet your music. Big body trade. Big body trade. Oh, what a mark. Damn. Boom. Okay. 1-to-1 definitely got hit. Why is my keyboard's dead? I can't. My keyboard's dead, chat. Already a massive profits. Good job. Good job, bro. Just to show them right here that it got smashed. Look at that, lovely. Look at that, lovely. Copy. Let me send that over there. Boom. Right, and then now you can move SL to break even for the 1-to-2 holders. What a massive. Woo. Copy image. Boom, boom, boom. Bang right there. No. Fudge. It might take profit for my 1-to-2. It's supposed to be a little bit higher. Damn, bro. It closed me out right here, chat. Damn, I got closed out right here, chat. 1 to 1.5. Damn. Damn. I got closed out right here, chat. Yeah, move stop. Yeah, set break even now. Stop loss what I hit. You guys can close right here. This is good enough, to be honest. This is a 50-point move. This is more than enough. Pretty much 1-to-2. Just close here, guys. Enjoy your profits. Enjoy your profits right here. Let's go. Yo, this is a how many points? This is a 51-point move, bro. Go work, chat. Good job, chat. How many of you guys took this trade? How many of you guys took this trade, bro? Finally, bro. Yo, patience, bro. Patience, bro. It's patience. That's all it is, bro. Been waiting the whole freaking day for this, bro. I mean, sorry, this is Hamuzi speaking, not Wamuzi, by the way. This is all I wanted, bro. This is literally what patience does for you guys. You guys are like, oh, how do you patient? Da da da. This is how you do it. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Habib, Habib, Hab, Hab, Hab. All right, how much did you guys make in the chat? How much did you guys make in the chat? How much did you guys make in the chat? Let me hear it. Let me hear it. I do this shit, guys. Boom! We took out the yellow line. Wow! Someone said they made $6 grand off Nasdaq and 4K off, and 4K off. Wait, 4K off what? And 4K off gold. How much did you guys make on that trade? Woo! Bang! Trader 8 made. Okay. P&L chart looking nice. Yo, guys, we do this, man. We do this, bro. Oh. All right, guys. How many of you guys that was a fire trade? Did you guys enjoy that? I went overtime today. I went overtime on the live stream today. Yeah, I went longer than I needed to, but I did it for you guys. How much did you guys make on that trade, guys? How much did you guys make on that trade? How many of you guys see me take it live? How many of you guys were in the stream when I took this live? How many of you guys took this trade? Much needed trade. Love it. Guys, am I dope for doing this live? Are you guys like, whoa, how's this guy doing this live? Is it pretty cool, guys? Even if you guys don't enter the trade, I even love that too, because at least I just want you guys to see me do it live. Does that make sense? I don't care if you enter or don't enter. The whole point of this is for you guys to kind of learn. Does that make sense? You're not necessarily here to copy me. You're here to learn, right? So being able to see me do it live should should really lock in on how everything's being done. Does that make sense, everyone? Does that make sense, chat? Right? So let's go. Excellent job, everyone. We do this. We're the best at what we do. No one competes with us. And yeah, live plus no BS equals love. I appreciate that, guys. Because all these other traders out there, they can't do this live. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I gotta engage more in the comments. You're right. You're right, chat. I agree. I agree. Like, I'm thinking about doing Asia session live streams. Would you guys like that? So it's not early in the morning. Cause bro, other streamers, you think like, all these other streamers are like Kai Cenat, I Show Speed. They're not streaming early in AM in the morning. So maybe if I do like an Asia session stream, so like later in the PM, like at nighttime stream, we can trade live at nighttime and stuff. We'll see. But again, hopefully you guys learned some stuff here. Again, a lot of people in the industry that they won't do this live. They can't do this live, and they'll never be able to do this live. And they just try to sell a course. Your boy doesn't sell no course. All I have is a one-on-one. It's closed. You guys can't even join the one-on-one, even if you wanted to join the one-on-one. It's closed right now. But imagine, you guys want to see something cool? Watch this. You think I just took this trade? You think I just took this trade? Okay, let me see Ibrahim. Look at Ibrahim. Exactly 11:16. What did he say? He said buy right here. Look at that. He said buy. And then what happened? Boom. Look at that. He didn't send a before picture though. Let me show you someone that sent a before picture. Look at Hadi. He said buy by himself. Look at these one-on-one students. Then what happened? Boom. Fully closed right there. Smashes take profit. These are students that are doing it perfectly one-on-one. It's insane. It's insane. I want to show you guys something actually. This is pretty cool. You guys want to see something cool? Okay, can you guys see my screen? Look, guys, look at this person's PNL. Look at this person's PNL. Ready? This is today's trade. Look how much this person made. Caught that NQ call out live. This person's in my signal group where I send out the trades in the signal group. This person caught this beautiful trade. Look at that trade right there. Absolutely beautiful trade right here. You see that? Excellente of a trade. Let me make it so you can see everything. Right? Excellent trade was made. You see that right here, chat? $700 made on this trade. I sent out this trade as well in the group where I send out all the trades, right? In the signal group, the trade 3.0. Look at that chat. Look at that chat. You see that, chat? Look at the person's PNL now. Look how beautiful this PNL is. How do I make this? Can you guys see it when it gets bigger or no? Maybe if I do this. If I do this. I'll do this. You see this chat? Look at that PNL. Monster PNL. Monster PNL. See? Person's in the signal group. This was today. Caught this trade. Look at the time, 11:27 a.m. I was like, your PNL chart calendar looks like this is all the trades sent out in the signal group as well. All the trades sent out in the signal group. $707 made. $707 made. Caught that trade. Look at the PNL chart. Absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Look at that. They're up 3.1K. Green. This person said they messed up here themselves. This wasn't me. Green, 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 green. Red. Yesterday was a red day. And then today, boom, back to green. All right. So lovely. Again, how many of you guys want to join the signal group? Should I close the signal group as well? Should I reopen it for some of you guys with a discount code as well? Only you guys can get that discount code. How many of you guys want to join the signal group? How many of you guys want to join that? Let me hear it right now. Let me hear it right now. Window NQ. Boom. Add to stage. This is the trade. How many of you guys want to join it? And I give you guys a discount code too. I trade every single day, 5 days a week on that. I send out the trades. Look, I showed you the person's P&L chart. Look how consistent they are from the trades I'm sending out live. And I'll give you guys all the discount code if you guys want. Okay, but I'm only gonna open it for 7 people because I closed the signal group because I don't want too many people copying my trades. So 7 people. I don't want too many people copying my trades 5 days a week. So only for 7 people can join. Okay. So who's it going to be? Only 7 people. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drop the link. First 7 people. Who's gonna be the first 7 people to join? And then you guys can use the discount code. Okay, I'm gonna give you guys the discount code. Here it is. I only opened it for 7 people now. So right here, I just sent the link right now. It's right here. Now, the first 7 people use code Hamuzi20, and that should give you guys 20% off for life. You get 20% discount off. And then that's it. And you guys can join. Look, Marky's in it. Marky, how's the signal group been? Is it cool? It's been pretty cool, right? So if you guys want to join that, the link is right there, guys. I just dropped the link in the chat, guys. Only the first 7 people can join. First come, first serve. And the discount code is Hamuzi20. So you guys got to be quick, man. You guys got to be quick. If you really want to join it, it's going to close. Oh, we already had someone join. Daniel already joined. Oh, someone else already joined. You guys got to be quick. There's only 5 more spots left now, chat. So we'll see who those 5 spots will take. So now at Nasdaq, this is a good trade. I like this. Stop, boom, big volume trade. Nice trade. Yeah, this is a very good trade. What prop firm? No, this is, you don't even know what you're talking about. I'm not talking about a prop firm right now. I'm talking about the group where I send out these trades. You don't even know what I'm talking about, bro. Yes, guys. Listen to Reclaimer. Don't join. As Hamuzi does trading live, do not join. Listen to these people that clearly know everything about the market. Do not join. As if I did not just do it live in front of you guys. Come on, guys. You guys, come on. Get a bit more brain cells than that. Come on, chat. Come on. Oh, I see what happened. I see what happened. I think Darian joined before I took that trade. I think that's what happened. Darian's probably a new user. Hi, Darian. Good to meet you, buddy. I don't think you were in the chat, but we took a pretty beautiful W. So yeah, Darian didn't see the W, guys. Everyone say hi, Darian. Darian did not see the W. Poor Darian. I feel bad for you, Darian. He missed the W, guys. So now he doesn't want anyone else to win. It's okay, Darian. Next time, come earlier to the stream. You got this, buddy. Boom. Boom. Love it. Adios, amigos. You want to yap? Get the heck out of my stream. I love when people yap after I'm giving out free signals. That's crazy. Like, I'm doing this stuff for free when I do the streams. They catch a W from me, and then they want to yap. Okay, I can read out the names of who just joined right now. Fam Mintry just joined. Suhaila9 just joined. George Tafwick just joined. So only 2 more spots left. And after those 2 spots close, then I'm going to close the Signal group again. Let me see. George Tawik. Oh, yeah, I see it. Yes, George Taufik joined as well. Okay, guys. Welcome to the new guys that joined that Signal group. Also, if you guys want to use a futures prop firm, use AquaTV and then use code AquaTV, and then you'll get 65% off your futures account. Here's the link again, one more time, for you guys to join that Signal group and see every single trade I take 5 days a week, bro. I show the analysis, the charts, and all that stuff. I love you guys. Hope to have a beautiful day. If anyone here is from Canada, I'm going to be doing a seminar, webinar, all that stuff soon. Let's see who's going to win a 10K account. 10K account winner goes to who's been active. Prod GT has been active. Prod GT, you get a 10K funded account. Use this as a screenshot for the people that go to the go to the what do you call it? But you're probably a new trader, so there's a high chance you might blow it, to be honest. But anyways, go to the link in my description on this channel, and then go go to the Discord, and then join that Discord. So that's the winner. I remember you've been active for a minute. Israel, I think you've won last time. I think you've won. Who else has been active? Who else has been active? Who else has been active in the chat? Nah. King Trader was trolling me. I saw you put those little laughing emojis, buddy. I hold a grudge. And I'm joking. Payout percentage as in how many people pass and thing. For every prop, for payout percentage is low. Like the chances of you getting a payout, like you really got to be good at trading. Who's been active? I think Marky's been active. I've seen Marky recently. Yeah, Marky. Where's Marky? I just seen Marky. Okay, Marky, you've been pretty active. All right, Marky. Go to the description. Use this as proof that you want a 10K account. Let's see who's next. I was on FTMO. They were on a 10K account. Hey, let's go, bro. Yeah, you've been active, but King Trader, I'm gonna need one day to cool off, buddy, because I seen what you did in the comment section. I watch everything. 10K account goes to Ahmed Suleiman as well. 10K account. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Okay, I love you, chat. All right, guys. How do I get the account from your? It's not my Discord, guys. This is the instructions. Go to AquaTV Discord. All right, go to the description in this the AquaTV. Go to their website, click the link, go to the website. From their website, find the Discord. From their Discord, use the proof that use the timestamp, open a ticket that you want, and then all that stuff, and then you'll do that. All right. I love you guys. Take care. That was instructions. Rewind the streams if it still didn't make sense. Somebody clip the W that we took. If anyone knows any good editors, clip that W. Send me a clip, and if you do that, I'll give you a reward. All right. Love you guys. Take care. Have a beautiful day, and make sure if you send me a clip, make sure it looks nice. All right. Love you guys. Take care. Peace out. And the next stream is gonna be on Tuesday at 9:30 a.m. So if you guys want to catch trades in the meanwhile, I recommend you guys joining the Signal group. Love you guys. Take care. Peace out. Get an Aqua TV account. Use code AquaTV. You'll get 65% off as well. Love you guys. Take care. Peace out.